再来看美国前总统川普离世伫南卡罗来纳州举行的共和党总统初选，拍败对手海莉。目前川普看起来代表共和党参选总统应该是无问题。伫发表演说的时，川普嘛呛讲要甲现任的总统拜登洗头路。
伫支持者的欢呼声中，美国前总统川普离世欢喜迎接南卡罗来纳州初选胜利，以大约60%的得票大赢前州长海莉。为初选开始到即马得到全胜，会当讲是确定代表共和党参选。伫发表胜利演说的时阵，川普更加将炮火向准现任总统拜登。
We're going to be up here on November 5th, and we're going to look at Joe Biden, and we're going to look him right in the eye. He's destroying our country, and we're going to say, Joe, you're fired. Get out. Get out, Joe. You're fired.
不过，川普也呼吁支持者庆祝15分钟就好，因为接落来还阁有真硬的一战要拍。52岁海莉一再接击77回川普信心状况，更加警告，若川普搁一摆当选总统，恐惊会带来混乱。不过，伊的努力，亲像真拍撼动川普伫共和党选民心目中的地位。
I think it was already over for her, but I understand she can stay in there as long as she gets those liberal donors to keep backing her.
Haley's continuing her campaign through the states that follow, saying that she'll be going on to Michigan, which votes on Tuesday, as well as campaigning across a spate of Super Tuesday states.
海莉之前捌讲过，会继续选到3月初5超级拜日，因为迄天会有15个州甲一个美国领地举行初选，也是党团会议。虽然未当伫本命州反转乱世，不过海莉强调，被替选要互选民选择的权利。
They have the right to a real choice. Not a Soviet-style election with only one candidate. And I have a duty to give them that choice.
虽然川普还未摕到党内提名，不过共和党内的互手竞争已经渐渐展开。顶日举行的保守政治行动会议 CPAC， 有意竞争副总统的人，拢一直抱川普，甚至一寡竞争者也无避嫌的认为，今年的 CPAC 都是竞争的非正式开始。公司新闻内为人朋友。